pull your finger annular with the thumb and your body will thank you. The postures of our hands or mudras play a very important role in many things, but they also have an important role in the practice of yoga. Hand stances or mudras improves the health of those who practice it, thanks to its many benefits. The postures are not surprising for the physical, mental and spiritual benefits that are achieved. Feel in the air inside and out. It brings an expansion in all fields of human existence. Its practice guarantees a firm body, a stable mind and a benevolent spirit. Next we will show you 7 of the most known and important mudras. 1. Chin Mudra. Posture: attach the index finger with your thumb, stretch the rest of the fingers pointing forward. Effect: develop calm and meditation. The index finger represents individuality, while the thumb represents the universal spirit. The rest of the fingers reflect the different states of energy. This mudra is meant to feel one with the universe. It helps us to accept ourselves in the here and now. By joining our index finger and thumb we close the energy circuit to achieve complete relaxation and harmony. 2. Shunya Mudra. Posture: hold the heart finger with your thumb on the palm of your hand. Keep your other fingers straight forward. Effect: develop wisdom. Also known as the mudra of heaven, this posture helps us to keep our minds clear and to forget our problems. 3. Padme Mudra. Posture: place your hands in front of your chest, with fingers stretched and wrists together. Make your fingers touch your thumbs and indexes. Effect: it alleviates the sadness of the heart. This pose, also called mudra of the lotus, unites the body and the mind to help us eliminate the possible love problems that we may be suffering. 4. Dhyana Mudra. Posture: place the palms of the hands facing up, holding the right on the left horizontally at the height of the abdomen. Finally, make the tips of your thumbs touch. Effect: helps to calm the mind. This posture, also known as vacuum mudra, favors our meditation and concentration. In doing so it will be easier for us to clear our minds so we can communicate with our inner self. 5. Ashes Mudra. Posture: interlocking the hands, leaving the right thumb between the thumb and index finger of the left hand. Effect: relieves stress. This posture, also called mudra of peace, helps us to renew energy and awaken creativity and sexuality. 6. Saraya Mudra. Posture: place the ring finger on the palm of the hand and help with the thumbs. Leave your other fingers straight forward. Effect: improves the digestive system. It is believed to be able to level cholesterol and help reduce body weight. In addition, it helps to calm the anxiety and to correct possible digestive problems. 7. Atmajali Mudra. Posture: bring the palms together vertically to the chest. Effect: it helps us find harmony and balance. This posture, also called mudra of love, favors meditation and consciousness. It is also a gesture of reverence towards respect and love. It will help us to achieve harmony, balance, silence and peace. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.